Happy morning, dears. I am your English teacher Kavya. Today we are going to learn a new chapter, chapter number 8. The name of the lesson is Adventure in the Woods. Do you know the meaning of the woods, dears? Woods means an area of land covered with trees, isn't it, dears? What is the name of the lesson? Yes, Adventure in the Woods. In this lesson, we are going to know about two children, Tawny and Mukul, how they saved trees from cutting it. Let's start the lesson, dears. Mukul and Tawny lived in the beautiful hillside town of Kanta. On the edge of the town, there was a thick forest.
Just tell me what kind of things would be there?
Yes, wild animals, more trees and plants, isn't it, dears? Every evening after school, Mukul and Tawny would like to go to play with their friends in the fields near the forest. They enjoyed lot themselves running in the green field, throwing stones into the brook. Do you know the meaning of brook, dears? Yes, brook means a small stream. They were shouting back to the chirping sparrows. Who would enjoy it in the forest, dears? Yes.
Tony, Mugul, and their friends.
One evening, the two friends were so busy at playing that they did not notice it was getting dark. They ran too far from the town towards the forest. All other children had gone home, but Mukul and Tawny were lost in the forest.
Those two boys knew that
There were wild animals in the forest. So they held each other's hand and walked in the terror. Tawny, afraid, and said, "We can't hope to reach out home tonight. Let's climb a tree and spend the night there." What did Tawny say, dears? Yes, Tawny was telling, in this night they can't reach the home, so
let us
climb the tree and spend the night there. Isn't it, dears? Mukul said to Tawny that let's pray to God, elves and fairies of the woods protect us. Both were accepted and climbed on the tree. Who were climbed on the trees, dears? Yes, good, Mukul and Tawny, isn't it, dears?
they fell asleep soon as they were so tired.
Later night, they were awakened by loud noises of metals chasing and banging mixed with people's voices. Do you know who are they, dears? Yes, they are smugglers. Smugglers means what, dear? Smugglers means people who take away things illegally from one place to another place. Okay, dears? But the boys thought that
There would be mom and daddy who came along with police. So the boys were ready to come down.
as they reached the source of the sound, they found it was not their parents, but they saw men were carrying lanterns, axes, saw, and a bag of other tools, and they were arguing about which trees they should cut,
For what they have argued? Yes.
which trees they should cut. Isn't it, dears? Is that good thing to cut trees? No, it is a bad thing because trees are nature's friend, isn't it, dears? Tawny and Mukul were shocked to see that. They know how dangerous it was to cut the trees. They remembered what they had learned about deforestation and climate change from their books. Do you know, dears, what is the meaning of the deforestation and climate change? Yes, deforestation means destruction of forest by cutting trees. Climate change means change of weather pattern in a place. Isn't it, dears? Tawny said to Mughal, "We can't allow this. We must stop them." "Wait, they look so dangerous, these men who are talked about cut the trees." Mukul said, "Let's see what they are going to do."
They hide themselves behind the bush.
And they observed what they are doing. Now they had crowded together to discuss something related to the wood. Mukul said in a quiet voice, "Hey Tony, they have kept their tools beside the bush. Let's hide them away." "Yes, that is a wonderful idea," said Mukul in a low sound. Again they came there. They are searching their tools, but there was none. "Oh, where is my axe?" shouted one person. "Who took the saw from here?" asked another person. "Ghost," said the third person in a shivering voice. What is the meaning of shivering, dears? Shivering means shaking with fear. "Shut up, you fools, and search for the axes," shouted their leader. They can't find the tools, so they decided to come back the next day. Next morning, Mukul and Tawny reached home and they told their parents about the events of the previous night. The people of Kanta were shocked and angry to hear about the wicked smugglers. Wicked means evil. It became clear to them why there had been a disastrous landslip in the valley the previous year. Do you know, dears? Do you know the meaning of landslip and valley? Landslip means a large mass of earth and rocks sliding down off a slope. Valley means a low land mass of earth and rocks sliding down a slope. Okay, dears? Next day night, the men came with the new tools. Before starting their work, suddenly
People
surrounded them. They are telling that you should not cut these trees because it belongs to people of the valley. One of the men asking them that, "Who are you to say that? We are cutting these trees for our livelihood by selling wood." After hearing this, Mr. Narayan, a well-known journalist of Cantor, he said, "Do you know what will happen if cut down trees?" He is telling about the uses of trees. What are they, dears? Can you guess? Trees are helps to keep our air clean. Trees give shelter to wild animals, bring rain, and also keep our hillside beautiful. I am sure you have not forgotten the last year's deadly landslip which killed many of your relatives in the valley. The landslip happened because there were not enough trees on the hilltop to keep the soil together. It is easy to cut a tree, but have you ever thought how many years it takes for a tree to grow? Why did the landslip happen in the valley the previous year, dears? The landslip happened because there were not enough trees on the hilltop to keep the soil together. The men now realized their mistakes. They hung their heads in shame. The next day, evening, as usual, Mukul and Tawny ran into the woods to play. At the time, they have seen the same men whom were seen by earlier were there again. But now, what happened, dears? Can you guess? They were planting little saplings to grow more trees. What is the meaning of chaplings, dears? Chaplings means young trees.
Let's see the meaning for new vocabularies.
Brook, a small stream. Brook, a small stream. Second one, dozed off, fell asleep. Dozed off, fell asleep. Third one, huddled, crowded together. Huddled, crowded together. Fourth one, hushed, quiet. Hushed, quiet. Fifth one, wicked, evil. Wicked, evil. Sixth one, chaplings, young trees. Chaplings, young trees. Alarmed, shocked, alarmed, shocked, shivering, shaking with fear. Shivering, shaking with fear. What is the moral of the story, dears? Yes, moral of the story is you have to save the nature. Save nature. We have to save the nature, then only nature will give all the things. Isn't it, dears?
Through this lesson, we came to know
About the importance of the trees. Isn't it, dears? So, we are ready to plant chaplings always. I hope you understood this lesson. You enjoyed the story. Isn't it, dears?
Thank you, children.